Hi, welcome to Fluent English Fast. In this video, we will listen to a short story to practice listening to spoken English. Kim is happy. She didn't miss her flight. She finds her seat on the plane. Kim sits down and takes a deep breath. She can finally relax. Kim looks at the person in the next seat. She can't believe who's sitting there. It's the man she bumped into at the airport. Kim is surprised. She doesn't know what to say. Finally, the man says, "Hi." Kim says, "Sorry I bumped into you at the airport. I was late for my flight and in a hurry." The man says, "No problem. I'm glad you didn't miss your flight." "Thanks," Kim says. She adds, "My name is Kim. What's your name?" The man says, "Nice to meet you, Kim. My name, is Jeff." Kim says, "Great to meet you, Jeff." Jeff takes a book out of his backpack. He reads the book. Kim looks out the window. It's cloudy. The flight attendant walks by with a cart of drinks. The flight attendant asks Kim if she would like anything to drink. Kim says, "I'll have a coffee, please." The flight attendant gives Kim a cup of coffee. Suddenly, Kim remembers that Jeff spilled his coffee earlier. She wants to make a joke about it, but she can't think of what to say. Jeff says, "I'll have a coffee too." The flight attendant gives Jeff a cup of coffee. Kim says, "I'll try not to bump into you this time." Jeff laughs a little. Kim asks Jeff if he's going to New York. Jeff says, Yeah, I'm going to New York for work." Kim says, "What do you do for work?" Jeff says, "I work in, computers." "Oh, cool," Kim says. She adds, "I work in data analytics." Kim asks Jeff, "What field do you work in?" Jeff says, "I work, in the other one." Kim looks confused. Jeff quickly changes the subject. He asks Kim if she's traveling to New York for work. Kim says that she just has a layover in New York. She says, "I'm moving to the United States. I have family there." "Oh, that's great," Jeff says. The pilot makes an announcement. "Good evening, passengers. This is your captain speaking. We will be arriving in New York in approximately 1 hour. The local time is 7:30 p.m. The temperature in New York is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. The weather is cool and rainy. Thank you for flying with us today. We hope you enjoy the rest of the flight. Jeff reads his book. Kim thinks about her life. She wonders what the future holds. Now let's answer some questions about the story. Question 1. Who is Kim sitting next to? Kim is sitting next to Jeff, the man she bumped into at the airport earlier. Question 2. Why is Jeff going to New York? He's going to New York for work. Question 3. What is Kim's job? Kim works in data analytics. Question 4. Why is Kim traveling? She's moving to the United States. Watch these videos to learn the English vocabulary words used in this story. Please subscribe to our channel for more English videos.